The annual report card is out concerning the water quality of Long Island Sound.
For years, the news has been discouraging, but it seems the tide is shifting. News 8's Ken Houston joins us live from the newsroom with some encouraging news. Ken.
Hi there, Ann and Dennis. This is an annual report from an organization called Save the Sound. One of the problems facing Long Island Sound is excess nitrogen. Members of the organization say it fuels algae blooms, which can kill fish and other animals in the water.
Long Island Sound providing years of enjoyment on the open water. But what does an extensive study say about its ecological health?
I think the results in many ways are encouraging. We have a lot to celebrate here.
The report card covers 57 bays lining the margins of the Sound. The Eastern Narrow scored a B, up from a C in a previous report and up from a D+ in 2008. Chlorophyll and dissolved organic carbon are credited with the improvements.
New York City has invested very heavily in nitrogen pollution reduction at the sewage treatment plants, and this evidence suggests that the investment may be starting to pay off.
Project Oceanology is one of more than 20 organizations helping to gather data. Their report card pinpoints areas where more work is needed to save the Sound. 42 bays scored a C or below, indicators that improvements are still needed.
Many bays are surrounded by on-site septic systems and cesspools that really need to be replaced to help stem the flow of nitrogen pollution entering the bays and harbors.
Political leaders in Washington are reacting to the news. U.S. Senator Richard Blumenthal says, as pollution and climate change continue to pose a grave threat to the Sound, we need strong federal investments to keep it clean, healthy, and resilient for generations to come. And Senator Chris Murphy says while today's report card shows important progress, it also serves as a reminder of the challenges ahead. One of those challenges is found in the western narrows of the bay. It received an F, but that's actually encouraging news.
It has never received better than an F since 2008, but the whole basin has gone a huge swing from a flatline 0 to a statistically improving F.
While there's room for improvements, there's also a space where the public can actually do its part to help save the Sound.
If you must use fertilizer, you should use organic fertilizer and use as little as possible. If you have a septic system, make sure that you're maintaining and caring for that system to have it pumped out.
Lawmakers call Long Island Sound a vital resource to our state's environment as well as the economy. One of the reasons why a bill was passed reauthorizing the Long Island Sound program. It ensures $40 million to save the Sound. Live in the newsroom, Ken Houston, News 8.